Hello friends, Ongc Non-Executive Recruitment 2022 922 वैकेंसी निकला है, सो आप लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हो। ऑयल एंड नेचुरल गैस कॉरपोरेशन लिमिटेड ONGC, लास्ट डेट है 28 तारीख 5 मंथ 2022, 28th of May 2022. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited (ONGC) has released an employment notification for the recruitment of 922 vacancies in non-executive cadre throughout the country in different ONGC work centers sectors. Interested and eligible candidates may read the details below and apply online. Name of posted non-executive. Number of posted 922 post. Pay scale category wise pay scale is as mentioned below. F1 level 29,000 rupees से लेकर 98,000 तक है। A1 level 26,000 rupees से लेकर 87,000 rupees तक है। W1 level 24,000 rupees से लेकर 57,000 तक है। नेम ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑयल एंड नेचुरल गैस कॉरपोरेशन लिमिटेड ONGC। एडवर्टीजमेंट नंबर 2/2022 RNP। Mode of application online. Help desk email ONGC non-executive helpdesk@gmail.com. Toll number 022 6130 6246। वर्क सेंटर वाइज वैकेंसी है। देहरादून के लिए 20 वैकेंसी है, दिल्ली के लिए 10 है, मुंबई के लिए 263 है, गोवा के लिए 4 है, गुजरात के लिए 318 है, जोधपुर के लिए 6 है, चेन्नई एंड कराकल के लिए 38 है, आसाम के लिए 164 है, अगरतला के लिए 66 है, कोलकाता के लिए 10 है, बोकारो के लिए 23 है, टोटल 922 है। Eligibility criteria of ONGC non-executive recruitment certificate of domicile. All candidates other than departmental candidates must possess a certificate in domicile permanent residency as indicated above for respective state. The candidate will have to produce a certificate of domicile permanent resident from the concerned state at the time to document verification uploading of documents. For candidates belonging to the state of Assam, PRC permanent residence certificate of permanent residency issued by competent authority for the purpose of higher education will also be acceptable. Permanent residence certificate of domicile should be issued by competent authority. Minimum marks. Candidate must possess a minimum score of 40% marks in the essential qualification to be eligible. The candidate has to enter exact percentage of marks to a maximum of 2 decimal place while filling the online application form. That is, rounding of the percentage is strictly not allowed. Age limit F1 and A1 level post except drilling, cementing, production, dealing. UR EWS के लिए 18 to 30 years है, OBC के लिए 18 to 33 years, SC ST के लिए 18 to 35 years है। F1 and A1 level post drilling, cementing, production, dealing. UR EWS के लिए 18 to 28 years, OBC के लिए 18 to 31 years, SC ST के लिए 18 to 33 years। W1 level post UR EWS के लिए 18 to 27 years, OBC के लिए 18 to 30 years, SC ST के लिए 18 to 32 years। Junior assistant operator heavy equipment UR EWS के लिए 18 to 35 years, OBC के लिए 18 to 38 years, SC ST के लिए 18 to 40 years। Educational qualification: Junior Engineering Assistant Civil 3 years Diploma in Civil Engineering. Junior Engineering Assistant Electronics 3 years Diploma in Electronics Telecom. E&T Engineering or MSc in Physics with Electronics. Junior Engineering Assistant Electrical 3 years Diploma in Electrical Engineering should have valid certificate of competency as electrical supervisor. Junior Engineering Assistant Instrumentation 3 years Diploma in Instrumentation Engineering. Junior Engineering Assistant Mechanical 3 years Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. Junior Engineering Assistant Boiler 3 years Diploma in Mechanical Engineering with First Class Boiler Attendant Certificate. Junior Engineering Assistant Production 3 years Diploma in Mechanical, Chemical, Petroleum Engineering. Junior Engineering Assistant Cementing 3 years Diploma in Mechanical, Petroleum Engineering. Junior Engineering Assistant Drilling 3 years Diploma in Mechanical, Petroleum Engineering. Physical standards as specified. Junior Marine Radio Assistant A high school or class 10 equivalent board examination with second class certificate with proficiency, competency in marine radio operation recognized by Government of India with Global Maritime Distress and Safety System (GMDSS) certification issued by the Ministry of Communication (MOC) and 1 year experience in line or radio telephone operator certificate of proficiency in maritime mobile service with Global Maritime Distress and Safety System (GMDSS) certification issued by the Ministry of Communication (MOC) and 1 year experience in line or Diploma in Electronics Telecom with Global Maritime Distress and Safety System (GMDSS) certification issued by the Ministry of Communication (MOC) Government of India with 1 year experience in line. Junior Dealing Assistant Transport 3 years Diploma in Auto Mechanical Engineering, Postgraduate Diploma in Business Management Administration or Postgraduate valid heavy vehicle driving license is essential. Junior Scientific Assistant Chemistry, Postgraduate degree in Chemistry, Junior Scientific Assistant Geology, Postgraduate degree in Geology, Junior Scientific Assistant Geophysics Surface, Postgraduate degree in Geophysics, Physics. One of the subjects in BSc should be Chemistry. Junior Engineering Assistant Production Drilling, 3 years Diploma in Mechanical Petroleum Engineering, Physical Standards as specified. Junior Drilling Assistant Personnel and Administration Postgraduate degree in Business Administration, Personnel Management IR, Labor Welfare or graduate degree with 2 years Diploma in Personnel and Administration. Junior Drilling Assistant MM, 3 years Diploma in Material Management Inventory, Stock Control recognized by the State Board of Technical Education, 1 year PG Diploma in Material Management. Junior Technical Assistant Surveying, High School or Class 10 equivalent board examinations with Science and Trade Certificate in Surveying. Junior Motor Vehicle Driver Winch Operations, High School or Class 10 equivalent board examinations with valid driving license for heavy vehicle and 3 years driving experience in heavy vehicles. Junior Technician Fitting, High School or Class 10 equivalent board examinations with Science and Trade Certificate in Fitting. Junior Technician Welding, High School or Class 10 equivalent board examinations with Science and Trade Certificate in Welding. Junior Technician Diesel, High School or Class 10 equivalent board examination with Science and Trade Certificate in Diesel. Junior Technician Electrical, High School or Class 10 equivalent board examinations with Science and Trade Certificate in Electrician Trade should have valid certificate or competency as electrical supervisor. Junior Technician Production, High School or Class 10 equivalent board examination with Science and Trade Certificate in Fitting or Mechanic Trades. The trade in respect of mechanic are diesel instrumentation, turner, machining, tractor, motor vehicle, welding, blacksmith, boiler attendant, mechanist, grinder trades. Junior Technician Cementing, High School or Class 10 equivalent board examination with Science and Trade Certificate in Auto Fitting or Mechanic Trades. The trade in respect of mechanic are diesel instrumentation, turner, machining, tractor, motor vehicle, welding, blacksmith, boiler attendant, mechanist, grinder trades should have valid heavy vehicle driving license. Junior Technician Machining, High School or Class 10 equivalent board examination with Science and Trade Certificate in Machining. Junior Assistant Operator Heavy Equipment, High School or Class 10 equivalent board examinations with driving license for heavy vehicle, 3 years experience of heavy vehicles crane operations and valid grade certificate as per API RP2D or OISD RP 205. Junior Cylinder cum Rigger, High School or Class 10 equivalent board examination with valid driving license for heavy vehicle and 3 years experience in loading and unloading Junior Assistant Accounts BCom with proficiency in typing 30 WPM and certificate diploma of a minimum duration of 6 months in computer applications in the office environment. Junior Assistant Materials Management BSc with Physics or Maths as one of the subjects with proficiency in typing 30 WPM and certificate diploma of a minimum duration of 6 months in computer applications in the office environment. Junior Assistant Official Language Graduate in Hindi with English as one of the subjects, typing speed 30 WPM in Hindi and certificate diploma of a minimum duration of 6 months in computer application in the office environment. Junior Assistant Personnel and Administration Graduate with typing speed 30 WPM and certificate diploma of a minimum duration of 6 months in computer applications in the office environment. Junior Fire Supervisor Intermediate with 6 months experience in fire services. Valid driving license for heavy vehicle, essential driving test on fire tender, heavy vehicle applicable physical standards as specified and physical efficiency. Junior Technical Assistant Chemistry BSc with Chemistry as main subject. Junior Technical Assistant Geology BSc with Geology as main subject. Junior Technician Boiler High School or Class 10 equivalent board examination with science and second class boiler attendance oil gas fired certificate. Junior Technician Production Drilling High School or Class 10 equivalent board examinations with science and trade certificate in fitting or mechanic trades with trade in respect of mechanic are diesel instrumentation, turner, machining, tractor, motor vehicle, welding, blacksmith, boiler attendant, machinist, grinder, trades, physical standards as specified. Junior Fireman High School or Class 10 equivalent board examinations with fireman's training of 3 months duration, valid driving license for heavy vehicles, essential driving test on fire tender, heavy vehicle applicable, physical standards as specified and physical efficiency. एप्लीकेशन फीस जनरल ओबीसी ईडब्ल्यूएस के लिए 300 है, एससी एसटी पीडब्ल्यूबीडी एक्स सर्विसमैन के लिए नील है। पेमेंट मोड डेबिट कार्ड, क्रेडिट कार्ड, नेट बैंकिंग, यूपीआईएच। हाउ टू अप्लाई फॉर ओएनजीसी रिक्रूटमेंट। सो फ्रेंड्स कैसे अप्लाई करना है फ्रेंड्स, मैंने वीडियो का डिस्क्रिप्शन में ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन लिंक दे दिया है, वहाँ जाकर आप लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हो। और वीडियो का डिस्क्रिप्शन में एडवर्टीजमेंट डिटेल्स भी दे दिया है, वहाँ जाके आप लोग पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करके अच्छे से देख सकते हो। Interested and eligible candidates may apply online for this vacancy by visiting official ONGC recruitment portal. Candidates may follow below mentioned steps to apply for ONGC graduate trainee vacancy. Scroll down, go to important web link section. Click on the online application and complete the registration process. In the next stage, click on online application link and login. Fill your all personal and educational details and upload necessary documents. Make payment of application fees as per your category and submit the form. At the end, take a print out of the application form. Starting date of online registration of applicant 7th of May 2022. Last date of online registration of applicant 28th of May 2022.